Okay, so me and go to the yarn section. Trying to find my girl Jasper's dietitian at my job, seeing if Mother watched the video, see if they have any kind of red heart yarn that she needs. Cause those are pretty. They make awesome socks. I can't do that though. They make awesome socks too. Just saying. I don't know what color she needs. So we're just going to see what they have. Thank you. See if there's something that she could use, because I have no idea. They still have lots of yarn at this one. A couple places that they don't have yarn. I'm certain they have like limited colors. Those were 4 for $10, but that was the sale. Let me see. They have some of that stuff. That'd be cool for Eagles blanket anyway. I don't know what she needs. They have all these on sale for 3 for $10, so hopefully we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yes, girls, anything like this you need, you have to tell me. Watch the video and let me know. I'll find it. Red Heart Soft. I don't know. You just have to tell me what you need. So, oh, I like that. Huh, that black and red. Huh. So they do have yarn at Macy's. You have to look around. I think you cry cut ladies need to go to town on this. And they have crochet hooks. There's still a bunch. And bags. They still have that stuff. There's some clearance yarn. Still have all that sewing stuff and latch hook kits on here. The only thing they did was pack up all the expensive ribbon that I've seen. They just literally got it all. I'm gonna try to go down the cry cut aisle. Cry cut. Still got that. Alright, I'm gonna go sneak around a little some more. Alright guys, sale starts tomorrow. Alright, bye.